But before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and like, share, and comment to this video.
Hey guys, today I just got this awesome new robot vacuum from OKP. Let's take a closer look at it. So this is the robot vacuum cleaner by OKP, and yeah, let's take a look inside the box. So it has instructions right on the front here, user manual, there's the charging cord, here's the device itself. Comes with 4 extra brushes and a cleaning brush. Also an extra filter. And this is the charging base that it sits on. So yeah, let's go test this out and see how it works. The robot vacuum has high suction power to pick up more dust, pet hair, debris, and dirt on all types of flooring, and it's suitable for tile, wood, and carpets, plus much more. The dust box is equipped with a 3-layer high-performance filter system that effectively removes dust, dirt, and any other allergens. And the 2 side brushes can quickly gather and sweep large particles and dirt with ease. It has an advanced 3D precise obstacle avoidance function and a set of infrared sensors, so it can intelligently identify and avoid walls, stairs, and other obstacles, and can easily move across door thresholds or carpets. It can last up to 120 minutes on a charge as well, minimizing the need for frequent recharging. And it will automatically return to its charging dock when it's running low. It's able to fit underneath furniture and can deal with small height changes and corners with ease as it goes around the house. So it's perfect for reaching those areas that usually require moving furniture in order to clean. It can easily be switched between different modes through the downloadable app, between auto, spot, edge, and zigzag cleaning, in order to meet all of your various cleaning needs. As well as set up a daily cleaning schedule that allows the K5 to adjust to your home and deliver a daily clean. You can use the app to find more features like customizing which rooms to clean, level of the suction power, alerts to find your robot, add other devices, and much more. It's also compatible with Alexa and Google Home Assistants, so you can get your cleaning done with just your voice, like this. To add voice assistants, go under your profile and click the option. There, you can connect your voice account with the included password for either Alexa or Google Assistant. There's also tutorials right there on the page if you have any problems. So yeah, if you are looking for an easy-to-use robot vacuum, definitely check out the OKP K5. See ya.